Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes that will help you achieve and maintain healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. So today I'm going to be making one of my newest and most favorite recipes. It's called curried broccoli rice. And it's really funny how this recipe came to be. I actually had a dental or a jaw problem, and I literally couldn't open my mouth more than about a half an inch. And because of that, I had to eat only very, very soft foods. I couldn't really chew. And I wanted to make sure I was getting enough nutrition, so I came up with this recipe because broccoli and rice, steamed vegetables and rice in general, is one of my favorite things to eat anyway. I could eat it every night. I don't get tired of it, especially because of all the different flavors of California balsamic that I can put on it. But there was no way I could chew vegetables, even when I puree, well, I could puree them obviously, but even when I cooked them really soft, I still couldn't chew them. So I came up with this recipe, and it's actually really good. I offered it to Charles one night, and he said, you know, this is really pretty good. So we started making it now that I can chew, but I've added some embellishments to it to make it even more fun. So one of the first things I did was to steam my broccoli. This is a Pampered Chef micro steamer, and normally when I steam the broccoli, I steam it for 4 minutes, but because I needed it extra soft for when I couldn't chew, I steamed it for 6 minutes. Now, they have this really cool holes in it so that you can drain it, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the liquid. And I'm going to save that. This is pot liquor. I'm going to use this instead of water to saute, or I'll drink it straight, warm. It's delicious. This is where all the nutrients are. Do not throw your pot liquor away. Even use it to water your plants, although not hot. They don't like that. And so then what you do is either with a fork or a knife, what I did is I just cut it up as small as I could, because this is much softer. If I'm going to eat broccoli the way I enjoy it, I like it sort of al dente and very crunchy, and I actually love the stem the most. But for the purposes of when I had the dental problem, I wanted it really, really fine, and I would mix it with the rice, and it was just so pretty. It almost looked like an herbed rice. Now, because I can chew now, I don't need to make it quite as small, but I still want to make it, you know, small-ish. I always liked broccoli, even when I didn't like vegetables, because my mom said it's the only vegetable you can eat the leaf, the stalk, and the tree. But I think you can actually do that with cauliflower as well. So you just want to get it about, you know, a nice uniform size. Now, I like the organic broccoli in Trader Joe's in the 12-ounce bag. They also have it organic frozen, but the frozen, which tastes fine, is 16 ounces. And this ratio of 1 bag of rice from Trader Joe's, or anywhere by the way, it's just basically 2 cups of rice, and 12 ounces of broccoli is just right for me. I don't want more broccoli than rice. I'm using the rice from Trader Joe's, and you can get this at regular grocery stores. I've seen it at Sprouts and Whole Foods and Ralph's, or Winco, wherever you shop. I've seen frozen organic rice. It generally comes in 3 bags and in a box in the freezer section, and it takes only 3 minutes to microwave, so you can make a really, really quick meal with it. I'm using white rice. I'm not afraid to eat rice, and I'm not afraid to eat white rice. There's 2 billion Asians on the planet that aren't obese or sick, and they eat white rice. It's my favorite. I like white rice, and I cannot lie. If you don't want to use white rice, use brown rice. It just looks so much prettier with white. And remember, I couldn't chew, and brown rice was just too difficult. White rice, I could practically swallow. So there, I've got it nice and uniform right now like that. And now I'm going to mix in my rice and 3 tablespoons of California balsamic curry. That's why it's called curried rice. Now, of course, you could use more to taste. You could use less. 2 is actually fine. Oh, by the way, I showed you this in a previous video. You shake it up by going 3 to 9 to 3 to 9. You can see I really like this. It's almost empty. You could use other flavors like the Gilroy garlic, or the sweet heat, or the basil, or the dill mustard, or the cilantro, or the, did I say blazing habanero? But this is my favorite. That's why it's curried rice. So I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. Hopefully I have it. 1. Yep, I think I just made it. Whew, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit. Perfect. And sometimes I do it with 2. You know, truthfully, I don't usually measure. And so I mixed it together, and this was my dinner for many nights while I was undergoing some treatment on my jaw. And it was delicious. But then I thought, wow, you know, this could be a recipe that regular people would like. But what I decided to do is, so that it would have the color of what people are used to with curry, you can just add a little bit of turmeric, and again, I'm just doing it not really for the taste, but to get this colored. And as often as found traditional in curries, they often use like dried fruit, so I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of yellow raisins. I like those better than the purple raisins. I think they're sweeter. And a 1/4 cup of the green part of the scallion. And I always use my little cool scissors to cut my scallions. I have an Amazon store. I'll put a link to it so you can see my favorite tools that I use. And so I mix this up. Oh, this is so good. You could eat this hot, as I was doing every night. You could also eat it room temperature and cold. So you just mix it up. It's so pretty. And again, if you want it more yellow, I don't want it to be all tasting like turmeric. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I want curry to be the primary flavor, but I don't want to have to put curry powder in because I don't need it, because the California balsamics are so flavorful. And if you mention my name in what's called the Leave Us a Message box with your order, you have to place an order, you get 2 free samples. And I love that they have, putting a little more turmeric to get just a little bit yellow, I love that they have those 3-ounce plastic bottles because they get right through TSA and they don't break. So there we go. I wish you could smell this. It's so good. It's just a party in my mouth. And I was eating this every night, and now I still want to eat it every night because it's so good. So I'm going to put it in a bowl so you can see it. And for me, people always say, well, how many servings? For me, this was 1 serving. This is 1 serving. I mean, my goodness, it's, you know, I mean, the rice is about 400 calories. The broccoli is 100. That's 500. Really, what takes the calories up is the 1/4 cup of grapes, which is about 130. But I wasn't eating it, not grapes, raisins. So there we have a beautiful. If you wanted to put some nuts in it, I would recommend the slivered almonds. I think that would go well in it. This could be a potluck dish, a party dish. And yeah, this is a serving for me and for people that eat in accordance with the principles of calorie density on a whole food, plant-based, sulfate-free, low-fat diet. So thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy taste delicious so that you can have the health and the body you so richly deserve. To your health.